The Siglent SDS6000L series provides 4 or 8 analog channels, expandable up to 512 channels, plus 16 digital channels, and up to 1024 digital channels, in a space-saving chassis size that forms a standalone oscilloscope or data acquisition unit when connected to an external display and mouse. There are 6 frequency-limited models in the series, all of which feature a maximum sample range of 5 gigasamples per second for each channel, with a maximum record length of 500 megapoints per channel. The instrument's 8-bit resolution expands up to 12 bits in extended resolution mode. The 6000L series features an innovative digital trigger system with high sensitivity and low jitter, which supports multiple powerful triggering modes, including serial bus triggering and decoding. An impressive array of measurement and math capabilities are provided, with options for a 25 MHz arbitrary waveform generator and multiple serial decoding choices. Check out our website here for more details.